Hey there, welcome back. So today we will quickly check out interface list. Now we have already checked array list, linked list, stack, right? And these are the most frequently used type of list in the day-to-day usage. Now if we check this documentation provided by Oracle, in here we can easily see that the list interface implements these classes. Couple of them are array list, stack and linked list. Now how we can make use of this interface is something which we will see in couple of minutes. Moreover, if we check this particular statement, it says that the super interfaces are collections. Definitely list is a part of collections framework, and iterable. Now what is iterable? What are iterators? How to make use of this is something which we will again see in our next video. Alright, so let me minimize this and maximize our program. Now friends, this particular code is taken from our last program, and in order to save some time, we already have this print list method and some list, and this is a linked list, which is cool. No rocket science in here. Now moving forward, in here we won't be making use of linked list in our print list method, rather we will make use of a list. And what is a list? List is an interface. So I will type in list, and the list could be of any type, right? It could be linked list, it could be array list, it could be stack. We don't care about it. Let's import the list interface, and now our program is using the list interface rather than linked list in our print list method. Now friends, what would be the impact of this small little change on our program? Let us execute the program, and the output is same, which is perfect. Now moving forward, I will be showing you the advantage of using this methodology. Let us check this out. Now in here we have a linked list. Now let's create an array list. Array list. And it would be again an array list of a string. The name would be maybe demo equals new array list. Here we go. And now we would be adding a couple of elements in here. I will type in demo.add, and we will pass in, for example, 1. I will copy this fragment of code, paste this couple of times, and make some modifications in here. Alright, so this looks good. And now I will make no changes but call this print list method and passing in this demo list, and we will check what would be the impact. So let me copy this fragment of code and paste it in here, and in place of country we will pass in demo. Alright, and now if I execute the program, the output is again without an issue. It is executing, the output is perfect, which is fantastic, right? So if in place of list we would have made use of linked list, in that case there would be definitely an issue and there would be a crash. Now as we are making use of the interface, we are able to handle all the type of list in this method print list, provided there is a catch in here that the list should be list of a string. So there is a limitation on type of content in the list, and the type of list could be anything. It could be stack, it could be array list, it could be linked list, and this method would be capable of handling this, which is perfect. Moving forward, it is also recommended to make use of the interface while we initialize or declare the list. So in place of linked list, I will type in list. So this is more recommended way of handling things, and we will initialize this list using the linked list constructor. Likewise, in place of array list, I will type in list, and we will initialize this demo list as a array list. Alright, so this is cool, and moreover, many a time we can also switch the types based on our requirement. So in place of this linked list, I can type in array list. Again, our program will work properly. In place of this array list, we can type in linked list. Let me do the changes. Alright, so there is no issue, and we can interchange these lists. Now the working are similar. The overall impact of type of list would be based on the performance of your program. You need to decide the list based on your requirement, whether you need fast access or fast operations. When you would require fast access, then definitely array list is the way to go when you would require fast operations, where you know that there would be major operation, there would be multiple operations on the list, then linked list is the way to go. Now again, if I execute the program, the output should be proper and it should give us a expected result. So this is cool, and this is all about the interface list. And moving forward, there are few more things related to the list which we will discuss. Thanks for watching and take care.